Hello people, today we will talk about PicsArt application, and if you're still questioning can we do a basic color grade with the PicsArt? The answer is yes, of course, because PicsArt works for editing picture. Means that you can do a basic color grade for your pictures too, because the color grade is also a basic things on a photo editing. And now we just need to open the PicsArt, click this plus button to create a new editing, and then just need to pick the photo that you want to edit here. Tap into the see all and access the picture that you want to edit. So how we can do this simple photo color grade? You just need to click the tools here and click adjust. There will be several options that you can set here to adjusting the picture or do the color grade. First, it could be the brightness. If you think that your picture is brighter, go click into the left side to reduce the light of the picture. And then the contrast here is also important. It's just to make your picture look contrast than you have as the raw picture. If you want to keep it contrast, just drag it into the right side. You'll see the difference. Right here, if I drag it into the left side, it will be like less contrast and pale. But it just depends. If you want to have this type of style like an old camera vintage looks, you can just do it. But if you want to keep it like HD, you can like increase your contrast. Now for the clarity, it's just to make your picture look clear. You see the contrast of the picture is insane. Now for the level for each section here, we cannot like make a red point because it just depends on the raw photo that you have and you capture with your phone. So you can adjust things based on what you need. But I will like skip for the saturation somehow, because if I already get the great picture or great color, I will let this skip for the saturation. Now for the shadows, it's just for adding the like black color into the specific area. If you want to get the like shadowing more contrast, drag it into the left side, guys. You see now the dark color could be like increase and it could like shading the picture here. Now for the highlights, it could be like similar with the brightness. It will add some lights into the specific area that needs. You see in the face, in the shoulder, that will like have light on it. But if you drag it into the left side, they'll be like reducing some of lights into those points. I will like to add the highlight, so this is the result. Now if you want to see before and after, this is the before and this is the after. Go click apply and save into your library, and then you are done. That's for today's guys. Hopefully you enjoy it. Please subscribe and turn on the notification to get more information how to get aesthetic photo with the PicsArt.